if we're evolving and I'm wanting to really provoke an emotion, you know, I think of art as the technical expertise adequate enough to produce an emotional impact.
Ooh.
So that's going to be hit and
I
miss.
just got a chill. Is that your definition?
It's not. It's
So
not.
good.
And I was waiting for you to ask me because it comes from a controversial figure, L. Ron Hubbard.
Okay. Very
But
controversial.
very controversial figure, but I've always thought that that was spot on, because you don't need all this technique and you don't just splatter out your emotions. I mean, that's fine. That's art therapy, but there's a balance, just like this life, there's a balance, and we can't have a dialogue one way or the other. If I came out and I taught a workshop here in my studio last month, and I was been pretty emotional about feeling stifled of where the world is going and how people can't see something right in front of their face. I mean, they're okay with deprogramming or taking away certain speech. And what I always want to say is, until you're saying something that the powers that be don't agree with, then it's going to be turned on you. So I am going to fight with this till the bitter end. I'm going to put my boots on. This is something that people die for. I mean, once you take that away as an artist, and I was trying to explain in this workshop that I just really felt censorship has gotten so out of hand, and that we are silencing the wrong people. Comedians do it best as an art form. They present one idea, they present another, they find humor. But if the wrong thing is said that isn't with a certain agreed upon narrative, they are being just ousted. And I started to cry, and everyone's like, yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. And then, and down the line, 20 minutes later, that Trump needs to be censored. And I'm like, you are missing the point. Nobody should be censored.